Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very fun tutorial using a bunch of Morphe products that they did send me, but I've tried them all. I really do like them. The makeup turned out really amazing, I think, personally. So if you want to pick up some Morphe products for yourself, make sure you use my code. It is good for this month. It is GLAMFAM321. That's GLAMFAM, F-A-M 321. I'll also have it, down in the down bar for you as well. But if you want to get a $5 off a purchase of $10 or more at Morphe, make sure you use my code this month. So there are a ton of palettes and products in this bad boy. We've got some eyeshadow brushes, we've got some eyeshadows, we've got some highlighters. So we're going to dive into all of this. And if you want to see how to achieve this fun little makeup look, keep on watching. Diving right in with the Morphe 18A Blue Yet Away palette, I'm going to take this beautiful neutral nude color, Star Attraction, and start blending into my crease to start my eye shape with this Morphe Pro Firm blending crease brush. I'm also buffing a little layer across my eye right now so I can use it as my base lid color. Next, I'm going in with the shade Applause on a firm shadow brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Using the same firm shadow brush, I'm going in with this darker brown shade Swagger, and I'm going to kind of apply it at an angle up towards my crease so we can kind of get a little bit of an ombre going on for the liner. Now I'm going to use this almost burgundy brown shade called So Dazzlin' on this angled liner brush and really kind of create a wing and blend it out nicely, going back in with this Swagger shade to kind of make sure that smoked out ombre wing just looks all nice and smooth. With my ombre smoked out wings done, I'm taking the small tapered blending brush with the shade Self Azure, and I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line for just a little bit of color. To continue that pop of color, I'm going to apply this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Waterproof Liner in the shade Goddess, which is kind of like a dark bluey black with blue glitter, so hopefully it'll look very pretty. For lashes, I'm going to throw in a bit of Roller Lash by Benefit in the shade Black before I pop on some falsies. So for lashes today, I'm going to use the Wing It Mini from House of Lashes. I just placed an order for a couple of these mini lashes because I have smaller eyes, and I always feel like I have to trim off the best part of the lash, like the outer corner, when I buy regular size lashes, because I have small eyes, and especially with winged lashes, that kind of sucks because it's like the wingiest part. So excited about these. Hopefully they look really amazing. They fit pretty well just trying them on, so I think they're going to be really, really stunning once I get them all glued down and everything. But anyways, using the Wing It Minis from House of Lashes and an Ardell brush on lash glue to do my lashes. So quick lash update. I've never had lashes go on this easily before. Absolutely amazing. Didn't have to trim them. They fit perfectly. They sit on my eye very well. Obsessed. Can't believe it. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer on a fluffy e.l.f. face brush. For blush, I'm going to use this dark metallic pink shade Visionary from the Morphe Blush Trio palette in the shade Pop of Fuchsia, and then this is just a little chic blush brush. Morphe also sent me this amazingly gorgeous highlighter palette. This is the 8Z Stargazer palette, and I'm going to just go in with the shade Spark, which is kind of a gold but with pink undertones, so I think it'll kind of go very well with my, skin tone and the makeup that's already on my face. And I'm just using this little SL Miss Glam SG62 brush. I almost forgot about my brows, which is very important because right now they're looking crazy messy from putting makeup all over my face. So I'm going to use this Benefit Gimmie Brow in the shade 4. So Morphe sent me 2 amazing lip products this month. I got a lip gloss and a lipstick. However, the lip gloss is darker than the lipstick, so I don't know if I'm going to use them together. We're going to see what happens. Whatever. Either way, I'm starting out by lining my lips with this Buxom Plumpline lip liner in the shade Hush Hush. So my lips are lined. I did a little bit of overlining to make them look a tad bit plumper for this look. And I think I'm going to go in with the Morphe gloss in the shade Freestyle because clearly it's a little bit darker than the Virgin liquid lipstick. So this is the final finished makeup look using all of those amazing Morphe products. I really enjoyed all of them, so definitely make sure you grab some of them for yourself. Use my code this month, which is GLAMFAM321. That's GLAMFAM, F-A-M, 321 to get yourself $5 off a $10 purchase this month. So make sure you go do that, support me. That would be amazing and wonderful, and I would very much appreciate it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, E-Y-E-L-E-A-H. I would love to see you there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.